my mom is a gynecologist, by the way, guys. So like she explained what sex means to me with a diagram. Okay, long distance forever is just sad. It's so
Yeah.
sad. Jazz and one
Oh.
with the jazz hands.
That's my claim to fame.
This topic makes me kind of emotional,
no.
and just put lip gloss on it and just like make that just one dimensional.
Mm-hmm.
But
Hey man, don't call us out like this.
My favorite sejal is the sejal that cusses. Hi guys, I'm Nana Bhan.
I'm Sakshi Shivdasani, and today we have a very special guest.
hello. Hi, I'm Sejal. Everybody, good
If-
to see you.
Whoever doesn't know what rock have you been living under, Sejal is the original content creator, the foremother of YouTube.
God, no.
Yeah.
please.
Everyone on the Indian internet watched your content. Like,
What do you say? For mother?
Yeah,
Like a
come
faux
here
pas.
to the mic.
For, yeah. Well, I'll take that gracefully.
Of
Thank you.
course.
you must. Like, you started with like Sarojini halls and all of that, and now she's almost buying her first Chanel bag.
Almost.
Almost.
Keyword here.
But the almost is a mind thing. It's not a financial thing.
I mean both, because like you said, like I started out making Sarojini hauls and I used to do these like strategic challenges ki like under 1000,
Yeah.
because also at the time like मुझे जो pocket money मिलती थी for college, I used to like budget with that and see, okay, if I can get my friend to like help me shoot and like this is the budget I can figure out, तो कुछ जुगाड़ करके. That's why also I was making those videos at the time. And then
Yeah.
I think like 5 years later I did have some money. But then I was also like, no, I must work hard and I kill myself. But now I'm in the space where I'm like, I must treat myself. So let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Before we get into it, let's just start with a little itsy bitsy game.
Okay. Oh, yeah, I love
Icebreaker.
games.
An icebreaker.
Yeah.
If these people weren't content creators,
Oh no, it's that type of game.
Yes.
I thought it's like a quiz. Okay.
No.
But okay.
wrong
Okay.
format.
Okay,
How
cool.
many things you can buy for 1,000 rupees in Sarojini?
Guys, not maths, but like some type of trivia. But go.
Okay. What would they be? If these people weren't content creators, what would they be? Komal Pandey.
Editor of Harper's Bazaar.
Good
So
one.
fair.
Masoom Minnawala.
Like clothing brand business owner, which is what I think she also was before.
Oh, was she?
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
She's like a solid business person.
That's true.
Yeah.
She's cool.
Fair.
Sakshi Shivdasani.
Dude, VJ, if that was a thing still.
Oh,
You
That's
know?
true.
Like
Yeah.
in the millennial childhood, MTV,
yeah.
MTV VJ.
Me and Anusha.
Yeah, you and, yeah, keep it stylish, like that vibe.
Great answers. Kritika Khurana.
Fashion designer.
Naina Bhan.
PR consultant.
Oh.
On the money.
Sejal Kumar.
Yeah.
Me, oh God, some type of, actually now, like owner of a cafe and like owner of like a creative cafe with like books and some type of fun chill thing. And changing this answer. Dance teacher, because I used to learn dance when I was a kid. Maybe we both went to dance works because you're also
My
from
cousin
Delhi.
was one of the instructors.
हाँ.
That's my claim to fame.
वही वैसा ही
Not
बचपन था
class.
मेरा, so I might use those skills and be a dance teacher.
Okay.
What form of dance?
Jazz.
Oh.
And one with the jazz hands.
Oh. Yeah, that's a good answer.
Did Danceworks have a chokehold on Mumbai the way it did on
Shamak
Delhi?
Davar.
Shamak Davar.
But then after a while, it was like Danceworks was the niche Shamak Davar.
Every girl in Delhi who was like it girl was in Danceworks. Yeah.
Thank you.
With their socks half pushed forward.
No, accurately, it was like if you're wearing jazz pants,
Yeah.
what they were called, like एक पैर उसका ऊपर होता था और एक नीचे, and cutting your crop tops was a thing, And then I used to do it in my YouTube videos because they actually taught you fashion, like if you're a dancer. So I guess thanks
Okay.
Dance Works for training, early training.
I love that. But apart from being a cafe owner and a dance teacher, you are a YouTuber. You are a director. You are a singer. Congratulations. You want to
Thank
plug
you.
your EP?
Yes, thank you. It's called Finding Joy, and it's pretty cool. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It has 5 songs, and I worked on this since 2024, maybe before. And it's cool because my nickname is Joy, which my audience like kind of knows a lot. And it's all about like finding joy within myself. I was very sad before, and I think I started finding joy like through the writing process. So that's what the songs also talk about.
Was the sadness anything to do with moving to Bombay?
Yeah, well, if I'll be honest, maybe yes. Because like I had an issue with loneliness before. I don't know if you guys relate, but being lonely is really hard. And I think I had to come to terms with that. And yeah.
Loneliness, how? Like, was it when you were single? Was it when you moved out of the house and you were living alone for the first time? Or
Yeah, I think like living alone for the first time.
yeah, I think that's very overwhelming.
It's super
Yeah.
overwhelming. Like you don't realize that like when you come back home, like you guys live alone by any
Yeah.
chance?
Yeah.
So when you come back home and like you have a dog, right?
I
So
do, yeah.
like if there's like blank silence, like
Uh-huh.
that's what took a bit to get used to.
Yeah.
But I think that's one challenge like you have to overcome in life.
Yeah.
Well,
I-
oh, sorry.
No, go for it.
I was gonna ask, was it the first time you were living alone when you moved to Bombay?
Yeah.
And that was, I think, right after the lockdown.
No, actually
Just before.
Just before, yeah, just before.
Oh, that's the worst time.
Well, like at that time, I was also like really like, let's move to Bombay. Like, I'm 24 years old. I really want to go. And this was like a 2-year long plan in coming. So I was just like inching कि अभी तो कुछ तो
हटना है.
होगा मैं जा रही हूँ.
हाँ.
And I got the opportunity and I could figure out, okay, like I'm in a good place financially to be able to like pay rent and everything
Work,
else you
yeah.
need here. And yeah, so it was cool, but I only realized like all these feelings during the lockdown because
That's hectic.
as you guys know here, it's very fast paced, right?
Yeah.
You're just
Yeah.
like go, 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 go. So
Yeah.
I think a lot of things around you that you don't realize are physical languages of support and love and being taken care of at home is like, your clothes being folded and put into your cupboard or food being made or even the utensils being clean. Yeah, of course, these are all operational logistic things, but they are done in your home out of care. Your parents care for you, they support you. And then when you remove yourself from an environment where there are just cues that are automated for care and you are surrounded suddenly with emptiness and you have to show up for yourself, like that is a really overwhelming feeling because it forces you in a weird way to see how much you love yourself and how much you can show up for yourself.
yeah,
Do you feel like that's something that
like operational stuff will figure out ho gaya tha. And also you kind of take pride in the fact that yes, I can like sort everything out. Like I can do all the stuff by myself. I have like a washing machine and I got a dryer, guys.
I
Best
have to
investment.
say, Sejal, twice you've set up the most immaculate home. Twice I've watched you do it.
Yes.
And
Yeah.
she doesn't let it go. She won't be like, अच्छा एक छोटा सा bed डाल देती हूँ.
No, she's
She'll like,
going all out.
यार पहले वाले में तो आई मस्ट एडमिट कुछ भी नहीं था वो घर फर्निश्ड आते हैं राइट तो वो जो भी था लाइक आई गॉट लाइक द वर्स्ट मैट्रेस पॉसिबल एंड लाइक द वर्स्ट एवरीथिंग सो when I moved the second time I was like no I will like take care of myself a little bit more
Treat yourself.
treat yourself get a good mattress and like get your bed and stuff so that's cool but I think like the what you said about like operations of love I think like for me that's more to do with like okay I can hear my dad कुछ तो कर रहे हैं वो videos देख रहे हैं
Yeah.
loudspeaker पर it's really annoying but like it's my dad
Yeah.
you know
Yeah.
or like my mom that vibe
yeah, I mean, from your content, also the general sense that one gets is that you come from a home where people are very engaged and involved in your life, and everyone wants to know what's happening. It's not the quintessential Indian family experience where people are making space
Yeah.
for you a lot. Most people come in and their parents are like, "क्यों कर रहे हो? कैसे कर रहे हो? नहीं करो. You're an idiot."
Yeah, but your
Oh,
parents
no,
have
that
always been very
sucks.
supportive of like, I mean, I've seen a lot of, I watch your mom's YouTube videos
Yeah.
also.
Oh,
Yeah. So,
yay.
yeah, so
Thanks.
she started out on your page as well, right? With
Yeah.
her, like you were asking her questions that
Yeah.
women were too afraid to ask their gynacs. And I thought that was very cool. But like, your mom was always like, since you started, I think your parents were always very supportive of your content. So, was there ever like a, oh my god, I need to get like a quote unquote real job?
Oh. Also, like, I think I need to address, I have tears in my eyes. This topic makes me kind of emotional.
no.
So if I start crying,
Would you like a tissue?
no,
Before?
no, it's
Okay.
fine.
Okay.
Like, I don't want it to be random. So, but yeah, no, my parents are very, very supportive, yeah, I have to say. Like when I started out, because I don't know what got into me, like organized person, I made an Excel sheet sort of explaining to them कि मुझे कहाँ से returns आएंगे इस career से. कुछ तो मैंने बकवास बना के उन्हें दिखाया था, but I think they were really impressed with like just foresight and taking something seriously. And that's just something about me in general. Like I just kind of like to be sincere with whatever I'm doing, which is helpful in this
sure.
career.
Yeah.
So that's why I think they've been supportive. And plus my brother is older and he explained to them कि भाई ये field exists करती है US में. So don't worry, like it's a real thing. So they were really supportive, like even when this wasn't a thing. So even if they had like relatives or I don't even know if people told them कि ये आपकी बेटी क्या करती है या जो भी, but it never came to me because I think my parents are very like,
Shield you.
yeah, and they just not gossipy at all, like which I really like about them. They never gossip about like other aunties and uncles, and they don't, I guess, let them gossip about us also.
Yeah.
They'll be like, okay, whatever. Like,
No,
chill.
that's the biggest strength. I think same like my parents, I feel whatever has happened about me, if any family member, any foreign person has had anything to say about me in the last 3 years of my life, it has never reached my ears. And they've like defended it so hard. Now I don't know what they've done because every time they look back, they were like, "That was a very hard time for you." I was like, "I was actually okay. Maybe it was a hard time for you because you were coasting me and supporting me in my journey." But मेरे लिए तो ठीक ही लग रहा था.
Like I was having the time of my fucking life.
But I love that they acknowledge that for you, though,
Yeah.
right? Like, if you're going through something, they're like, okay, like, we see this
Yeah.
and we're here for you, type of zone.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, I've never gone through.
That's fine.
I'm so sorry.
But I think your parents firefight for you every day. I mean, there's like a lot of like leg pulling within you guys, but you
Yeah.
are not like privy to what conversation they are having about you outside of.
I think my parents are like, I think they find me too boring to talk about me. Like, if someone's like, oh, have you seen this content piece about Sakshi? Or like, she said she hates vada pav or something. And my dad's like, I know. She doesn't eat it at family dinners. What's the big deal? Like, you know, it's like very like.
He doesn't get the headline.
Yeah, he's like, I'm so sorry. Like, am I supposed to force feed her vada pav? Like, they're very like confused because like they have no context about like why things are so, like, what's that word? Intense.
Polarizing.
Yeah.
You're so smart.
Thanks.
Fuck, I'm so dumb.
What is drum?
Dumb.
Oh,
She has
dumb.
I have a lisp.
Oh, okay.
No, I'm dumb. I'm dumb.
Yeah, but same quintessential
Yeah.
experience that other people around us don't have, which is that our parents allow us to make our own decisions.
Yeah.
And they're
Yeah,
okay
big
with the
one.
fact that they could go wrong. And they have put faith in us that we will be able to steer them back to a correct path.
But were your parents supportive about you moving to Bombay, or were they like, what's the need?
No, they were supportive because like I started this job when I was 19, like
Right.
almost 20 in college. So by 24, I was already making money. And so अब अगर पापा taxes कर रहे हैं तो they have some faith कि, you know, she
Yeah.
knows what she's doing and like let her like take the next step. And they kind of get it, right? Like the industry is here and
Yeah.
they understand however much they can. They give
Yeah.
some random advice sometimes, but at least they give it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's fair.
Yeah. And moving back home was like they were happy to have you, or they were.
Yeah. अरे वो
That's so
बहुत अच्छे
sweet.
यार. I was feeling guilty कि shit, did I make the wrong choice? Like I look stupid because you know you're supposed to do one thing once and like get it right like all the way. They were like, आ जाओ चलो हम खाने जाते हैं कहीं पे. Yeah, okay, cool. सही है, let's go.
How exhausted are you
Currently, like not at all.
in life? Like you've been doing this, you've been literally the powerhouse of your of your brand, of your company for the last 10 years with no blueprint. You're creating it wherever you see opportunity, you're taking it and you're turning entire businesses out of it.
Yeah.
You've done the podcast, you've done the music,
Yeah.
you've got a
Guys,
production
Yeah.
house.
big one. Podcast
Yeah.
start.
Yeah, you've done, I think, and you had no like person to be like, oh, this one's career is going this way, so let me emulate that. You were one of the, like, your start, like, you were the first, basically.
Yeah, damn guys, thanks.
Yeah.
That's like I used to complain about this a lot, like to my friends and even my parents, ki main kya karu? You know, I used to take pride in like being this martyr, ki you know, it's so hard because I don't have a blueprint. And to my friends in corporate jobs, you guys have a promotion, you know what to do. But after like my whole sad phase, I did a lot of therapy and I was like, dude, shut up. Like this is literally such a nice job to do every day. Obviously there are cons, right? People will not like you and like the stuff that you put time and money in may not work at all, which has also happened to me so much. Okay, सबके साथ होता है, so
Yeah.
it's fine. Like so that's why I guess I'm less tired too, because I thought I'm actually working more now than I ever did before, I guess, but I don't take that pressure of like this needs to be successful anymore. It's okay if it fails.
That's
That's a
very-
huge thing to
yeah.
arrive at.
Congratulations. I guess like doing it for so long, you know that like eventually whatever you want to do is not what the audience wants to see. But does that become difficult? Because I know you were 19 when you started and your audience was slightly younger. So watching you grow up and them growing up, like, is it a way that your audience is still appealing, like your content is still appealing to 19-year-olds, or did your audience kind of grow with you?
I honestly don't have a definite answer to this, like being super honest.
Yeah.
But like when I started off, I was very like clear goal. I want 1 million subs. Like I don't care what anyone else does or says. So I guess that's good too. You need like a hustle phase in your life
Yeah.
where you're just going, one-minded strategy. But in that, like like when I introspect a lot these days because I'm 30, so I'm wise.
It's been a month, okay?
It has been more than a month.
Okay, 2 months.
Almost 2 months.
Crazy, stop it. Did your third eye open?
Third eye तो खुल ही गई थी first day पे. No, I'm just kidding, but I'm wiser.
Yeah.
2 months wiser than I was last year.
Amazing.
But I introspect a lot, and I think that like at that time, because I had this like goal, right? And I'm sure you guys have also done this a lot. Like अगर एक चीज चल जाती है तो आप उसके पीछे पागल होगी.
Yeah.
You know, you
Yeah.
just go like behind it. You create the same title, the same thumbnail. You talk the same way. God, like, yeah, and maybe like take pieces of yourself that appeal to people and just put lip gloss on it and just like make that just one dimensional. But
Hey man, don't call us out like this.
sorry, but this is my mistake that
Oh,
I've done,
fuck.
so I can totally like
Yeah.
take responsibility for that. But the thing is, like, we're not like a sandwich or a lipstick as human beings, like in this business, right? You'll obviously change. So yeah, but I think that's okay too. Like all this is okay. Like doing that is okay. It has a time and space. And then not relating to that is also okay.
True.
Yeah.
And then finding a balance.
Yeah, my favorite Sejal is the Sejal that cusses. She is genuinely my favorite
I've never
person.
heard.
Because it's so I know can I do a reading of what I've like as I've seen you from the
Yeah.
outside? I think you're a very type A person. I think you're very honest and very hardworking from the start. Okay, she has brought CEO culture and corporate culture to content when it was not a
Yeah.
thing. Ma'am has sat with her Excel sheets. Like there was a ticker on her moving from 25 to 50
Oh
to
my
75K
God, yes.
subs. You know, it was like, come on, team, we gotta
Yeah.
do this. You know,
Lol.
so there was this whole thing, and but I do find that that in your journey you found it difficult to maybe at times just be. And like really, like you said, like maybe the validation has led you to, when Hindi content was working for you, you made an effort to just speak in Hindi. When something else was working for you, you made an effort to do that. But then the moments where I felt you slipping and allowing yourself to be you was like suddenly Sejal randomly said fuck it. She genuinely said fuck it in her content. I was like, whoa, what just happened? Like, and I was like, oh, is that person, like, is that woman coming out?
I think that happened with, sorry, I just want to add, like,
Yeah.
it happened with, like, all of you guys who, like, I think YouTube changed the policy or something, because Sherry, you, everyone, suddenly one day you all were like, yeah, we drink.
Yeah.
Yeah, we cuss.
Oh, like
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
Sadly, like this cookie cutter thing started crumbling in a good way, you know, and this
Yeah.
there was actually really beautiful to watch. And now it feels almost like you're really alive in who you are, and there's lots that you've come to. And I could just be inferring completely wrong, so stop me at any point, otherwise I'll keep talking.
No, keep talking. You're very right so far.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, how was the transition? Like, what pushed you to?
About the abusing, like I actually don't abuse that much, but I have to remind you that I'm from Delhi and I went to DU.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's a lot of that, and I think वो आ जाता है बाहर videos में, especially in the YouTube videos when you're like talking and in frustrated moments, like तो वो आ जाता है and it's funny, so it's fine. But वैसे I don't abuse so much in real life.
Same.
I like it.
Thank you.
Hey, listen, what the hell happened with your hack?
What's my hack?
You got hacked.
Oh,
Yeah, she's like, what's my hack? And he's
Yeah,
like,
my
drink
hack.
a lot of water.
Yeah, I will tell you about that. But like the drinking thing,
Yeah.
like in my case specifically, I started talking about it the day I turned 25, because drinking age in Delhi is at least
25.
used to be 20. Is it still 25? I
Yeah,
don't really
sure,
know.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I just thought it's my responsibility to not show. Like I thought it's illegal to show drinking before that.
I think
because
it
you're-
is.
I'm sure it is.
because it's illegal to drink
Yeah.
before that.
Yeah.
So that's why that's the only time I show drinking, and obviously going
It's progressed.
forward.
You're
it's
like Emma
progressed.
Chamberlain before she was 21. You know?
True.
Now
like,
she's like,
kinda.
I love tequila. I
Yeah.
love this.
Yeah, I mean, she works with 818,
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
know, so that's the thing.
Fair.
You were saying
The
something?
hack.
The hack.
Oh, the hack. Oh, yeah. It happened last year, 8th August, 2024. Yeah, like, okay, I'm into like spirituality now. Like, I've kind of gotten into it through therapy and stuff. And 8th August is supposed to be like some type of significant day, okay? A lot of people were talking about it, etc. And I just went about my day normally, and I received an email from Canon. So beware, people, okay? It was a beautifully formatted email with a PDF which was really well made. तो मैंने पढ़ा, and सुबह मैं emails कर रही थी before my shoot. And I was like, let me be very responsible. Let me answer my emails before I start shooting.
Amazing,
Just
yeah.
not what happens. तो मैं कर रही थी, मैं सोचा अच्छा PDF भी डाउनलोड करके देख लेती हूँ. Let me be diligent. तो मैंने डाउनलोड करी, and जैसे ही मैंने डाउनलोड करी, I thought there's something weird about this because it's not opening. It asked me to like download some type of app. And I clicked it and I just felt wrong and I deleted it usi samay, and tabhi bell baji and sab aa gaye, who I was shooting with. And 2 hours later, my manager, Varsha, she called me. She's like, hey, Sejal, like, I'm trying to show your channel to somebody that I'm pitching to and I can't see it. And I was like, oh no, like, I know what happened. And so I went to my laptop, and luckily I had people with me. One of them was a creator too. So they were like giving me moral support,
Yeah.
koi baat nahi, calling their friends. And then I just like tagged YouTube in some stories and stuff, and my partner manager called, so it helped. 2 days of form filling and emailing and being very stressed, obviously.
No
But I also thought कि अगर channel गया ना मेरा तो ठीक है.
Yeah, what was that moment like? Like if everything you worked for is gone,
Yeah.
what dance teacher?
तब
Like, let's go.
and one. Yeah, तब 10 साल होने को थे, like almost there. So I thought कि अब अगर चला गया ना, maybe this is a sign from God. It's also on that day.
Stop it.
So I was like, it's fine. Like I anyway think often that maybe I should start a separate channel for my music videos a lot. I think about it a lot. I don't know if it's a good strategy. And I thought maybe, thanks, we shall discuss.
Yes.
But I thought, okay, maybe this would be a thing to do. And guys, we actually never know. Like YouTube, Instagram, they all can actually like not be so relevant anymore. So maybe like 5-6 years later, there's maybe LinkedIn is the big thing. You never know.
I will, if LinkedIn becomes the social media thing of like choice, I'm just ceasing to exist.
I'm going to tap out. I will find a man with a green card.
I don't
Ooh,
want to go to the US,
controversial.
bro. The shit show that's happening. Sorry, I know your fiance lives in the US and your brother.
My brother, yes,
Yeah.
मेरा fiance hopefully आ जाएगा वापस.
Yeah, what's the scene, by the way? Are you guys going to long distance infinitely? Are you moving there? Is he coming back?
Long distance forever is just sad. It's so
Yeah.
sad. I think like long distance after getting engaged is also, I never ever thought as a teenager that I would firstly be in a long distance relationship, let alone a long distance engagement ship, whatever
Is
that
it
is.
any different?
Yeah, long distance is fine. It makes you starting में थोड़ा cranky and silly,
Of
Yeah.
course, yeah.
but then I think it's okay.
But are you gonna move there or is he going to?
He's gonna come back.
Okay.
Yeah, but there's still time because he's just started his MBA.
Oh.
So
Oh, what was he doing this entire
job.
time?
Oh.
I'm so confused.
Bro, but you know what? I watched your engagement vlog, as one does. I love engagement vlogs. I loved your engagement vlog. Love the ring, all of it. But
Thanks.
I really liked how he like just was like, it can happen anytime.
Dude, the suspense.
All the best. Like, I can't live like that, but you were such a trooper. How did that come about?
Sorry, I have a cold.
No,
My throat
please.
is dry. We've been together like 5 years, so it would be weird to just like propose without asking or talking and being ready. I think like that's too much. Like you should totally talk about it 1,000 times and see if you're ready. So we did that, obviously. ये नहीं कि भाई okay तैयार हो के आ जाना जरा कुछ भी हो सकता है. Yeah, so to then keep the fun element alive was the thing of like, okay, like, have you guys seen The Office?
Yeah.
Yes.
So like the Jim and Pam thing in the end,
Yeah.
kahin pe bhi kuch bhi, that was the inspo.
It was really
It was
fun.
very cute. We were stressed.
We were stressed because we were like, oh, is it going to happen today? Is it going to happen today? And we knew it was going to happen at the end of the vlog.
Oh, right. Yeah.
But we were like, we were like sending it to each other as soon as the video came live. I got it sent by like 8 people because we're so invested in your journey as like a creator.
Oh, are you
and-
saying that for real? Like,
Yeah.
that means a lot to me if that's
Honestly,
genuine.
in a different realm, this entire concept of a woman who's going to get engaged, but her fiance doesn't tell her when, it could be a horror film.
But
Like
this
a,
was a
like
fairy
a psychological,
tale.
like, yeah, this was a fairy, like if my, I mean, it's done before, but like if my
us.
partner was going to be like, listen, it's going to be any of these days, just be ready to pull out looks, to be in a good mood every day, to hype yourself up every day, and at the end of the day, be like, acha, aaj nahi hua. I would be pissed by the time it
Bro,
happened.
she got her nails done.
I
and
know.
all that. It was amazing.
Yeah, because I was like, gotta look good.
So fair.
But
Yeah.
I
Fair.
hear you though, like mood can totally get deflated
Yeah.
towards the end of the day.
Dude, on Valentine's Day, both me and my partner were working, and I fully got hyped into Valentine's Day because we've done so many brand deals. I was like, suddenly at the end of the day, I was like, of course, something has to happen, and nothing happened, and I was like, fuck this. You know?
I like the so many brand deals plug.
Yeah.
पैसे बना बना के थक गए
That's
हम
so
यार.
मैं खुद ही influence हो गई यार. Oh. Seriously.
Yeah, but
No, but this is all to pull leg.
of course,
Yeah.
yeah. And you have
Still on my teeth.
no, it just came. It just.
Yeah.
Yeah, Naina's lipstick on her teeth is like your engagement. पता नहीं कब होगा पर होगा. Every episode में एक बार.
मैं ना सहती.
Seriously.
But he went back like immediately after the proposal.
Yeah,
or-
the next day.
Oh no.
What is that red flag behavior or is that green flag behavior?
we
you pick.
listen and we don't judge.
Judge,
That's
But
on you.
I'm
guys.
assuming you'll meet a bunch of times in the year.
Yeah, I was just in the US like last week.
Oh,
मैं चली गई बस kind of
amazing.
ऐसे.
Yeah.
Do you like going for Fashion Week?
Ooh, interesting question. I don't know. I didn't go for actually this New York. I really wanted to go for Fashion Week, but I didn't end up getting any shows. Like we pitched a lot, but like we didn't hear back. So that was kind of sad.
Oh.
But I took my outfits just in case. But I shot nice photos and came back, which is like rejection moment, but it's okay.
But
What can you
so
do?
on you, Sejal, to turn it around and find like the silver lining.
अरे बट सोर्स किए थे कपड़े अगर मैं
हाँ.
फोटोज नहीं खींचती तो फिर
Dude.
प्रॉब्लम है.
You know, the OG creators, you guys are the best, like, for sourcing, like, PR, all of that. Y'all are so organized with all of this, and you're really, like, y'all treat the business as a business more than any, like, newer creators.
Is that a thing?
Yeah.
Because
I think so.
like you guys tell me like how.
In the sense that if you get a PR package, I know for a fact that there's going to be a hashtag gifted. Like y'all are so honest. Like y'all really, like y'all are very like, y'all value your audience's time, y'all value the brand's time, y'all take effort to, like, if you have sourced it, then you will wear it and take photos. Like if I source something, for example, and I don't end up wearing it, I'm like, I can't give photos. Like I'm not gonna do a photo shoot for it. That's why I don't source now. But then that
Oh.
becomes like a more, like, it's not beneficial to either me or the brand if I'm wearing something, because I'm like, if I bought it, I don't care about it. But you guys are like, okay, this is a perk of the business. Like if I am getting this, then I will post about it. If I, all of that. And I think it's very, like, what we do, like short form creators versus long form, I guess,
Oh, no.
becomes the argument.
I know this is so nuanced.
This is,
Yeah.
this is so, dude, guys,
Sorry.
I'm like, I've been out of like this thing for so long. I guess being in Delhi is a bubble, so I don't hear any of this at all. But yes.
Oh, I was saying, like, in the sense that short form creators have, like, bastardized content.
I fucking agree.
Yeah, Naina hates short form content. I am primarily a short form content creator. You are a long form creator primarily.
अब तो मेरा भी short form हो
Of
गया है.
course,
But-
1 minute dramas. We watch.
Yeah, I'm also
1 minute
what-
drama
Yeah.
is a very high concept, high production value reel.
Yes, because I like to make life tough for myself.
Yeah.
Finding complexity is your next album.
Finding complexities, struggling,
Yeah.
struggling. Yeah, it's cool. Like, I like that a lot. Like after doing, like, I was this, let's call it Sarojini era,
Yeah.
Sarojini era college fashion relatable stuff. Like I was researching for something interesting to do. And I used to do covers on my channel a lot. Like I used to sing. And I always thought that like, what's the common theme between everything I'm doing? Because interestingly, like all my content would get the same amount of views, like numbers wise, like across categories. And I also had this thing like not a category for a while, just to like put it all in a box, because I was like, there should be some way to like understand what this person does. So that's why I thought maybe like the storytelling of it all is what kind of ties it together. So I just thought of that, took some time to like think, and then just started running with it. And I don't know if you guys face this issue, but earlier I would like say I've created a series, okay? Like वो cookie cutter एक format बन गया, फिर आप उसमें फंस जाते हो. You can't like create something outside of that without, you know,
Disrupting
Yeah.
feedback.
disrupting your audience and like all that stuff. And then after the point you start hating your work. And I really hate that feeling of posting something and thinking what you've posted is cringe.
So which piece of content that you posted did you have a hard time reconciling with?
Oh, like so many things. God, like I used to do a lot of skits pehle, and even a lot of the fashion videos. Like I used to feel like I'm doing this because I know the title and thumbnail will get views, and I know I'm doing this right now. But like I would always feel, oh my God, this is just not. Like, you know, some of the skits, because like, you know, अगर मैं इस metadata को use करूँगी तो वो अच्छा करेगा.
Yeah.
But, you know, your creative soul kind of just like chips away every
Yeah.
time you do that. And I think after like 6 years, there's also this thing, right? Like after 7 years, you feel the itch to like make a change in your life.
Reinvent, yeah.
And after that time, like I was feeling it already for a long time, and I was like, yaar, ab nahi ho payega. And I remember pandemic mein, I was discussing with my team, ab kya karu? And they were like, why don't you like think of what's topical right now? And I was like, maybe a basic series, maybe a Hindi video, white shirt ki like 10 ways. And I was like, God, I've done 10 iterations of this already.
Yeah.
Plus, this is so like I can't do this now. And even while shooting, I was so frustrated. And मेरे कैमरा में ना ऑटो फोकस नहीं होता था. And तब मैं तब परेशान हो गई. मैंने कहा छोड़ो.
You tried?
Auto focus.
हाँ.
What do you
Like
say?
on autofocus, like if you're like when you're frustrated with your content and littlest thing triggers you,
Bro.
you're like fuck this autofocus.
Yeah, many times. Especially like if people come, you know, a lot of times like my mom is burst into my room
Yeah.
after I've said something 10 times and I'd just be like, please, आप जाओ, like please. तो वो रोई तो मैं बहुत बार हूँ. Shoots पे भी बहुत बार रोई हूँ because कल Friday है, आज Thursday है, मैं आज shoot कर रही हूँ, अब इसको रात तक edit करना है और अगर कल post नहीं किया तो फिर
Yeah.
oops,
The
you know.
world will end.
Yes.
You have a YouTube posting schedule.
Like now I'm trying to post vlogs every Monday, like, but even with 1 Minute Drama, I try to post it like on Fridays. But even if I miss, it's okay.
Yeah.
I'm not so strict about it anymore.
Are you going to monetize your wedding?
Ooh, yes, I guess. Like you mean like brand deals around it, right? Like
Yeah.
because you're a bride, you get certain brand deals.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I don't think there's anything
You
wrong
must.
with it, really.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
also don't.
we finished speaking in the last episode about how much we would like to monetize our
Acha,
wedding.
oh, okay.
Like we might find a groom just to make that extra buck.
Who's your dream sponsor?
Whoever has budget.
Whoever
Pawns.
has budget.
Pawns, yeah, pawns. Yeah.
Pawns.
Yeah.
Okay. Like, what's the vision? What's your pitch?
Just the morning after.
There was like this running joke in my family that since I was a kid, कि जब मेरी शादी होगी तो मैं अपने केप पे ऐसे कोक का स्पॉन्सर
Yeah.
लेके चलूंगी और like एक ऐसे मिरिंडा पी रही हूँ
Yeah.
मैं. So, but yeah, I guess like brand deals around it is cool. Like on the
Yeah.
day, I don't know. We'll see. It's far away, so I don't know.
And what if your kid wanted to become a creator? Would you be into that?
What is it gonna be when my kid is a like adult? I have no clue. Virtual creators honge tab. But if my kid was a person today, I would be like, kar lo. It's a lot of pressure though. Like
Yeah.
a lot of pressure and like a lot of like judgment your way. So like do it because you're self-assured, not because you want validation. Which is why I think most people want to be a
Yeah.
public-facing person anyway. I did. Like, what about you guys?
You wanted to be a public facing because
You
of
want that-
validation.
Yeah.
Oh.
What about you guys?
I just like making videos. I don't even care about the likes or views or anything.
Dude, like goals. This is like
No.
self-esteem goals.
Like
Respect.
I feel like if you get caught up in the numbers, you're setting yourself up to fail because it's like, you know, I use the analogy and I could be fully wrong. It's like a man offering only money as a like a way to be loved. There is always someone who has more money.
Yeah.
Like, you know, so if you it's a wrong precedent to set. Like there's always like someone who's gonna have more numbers, more followers, more like whatever. So I'm like, I'm happy with my corner of the internet. I'm
True.
chilling. Like if something works, I'm glad, obviously. If something doesn't work, I'm looking at the video, I'm like, fuck, if this played at a party right now,
Yeah.
I would be very proud of it.
Nice.
Yeah.
I think masti.
That's beautiful.
Masti.
I love that.
But I do have a question for you in the sense that because you've been creating content for so long, and at some point the ethics of content got a little bit messy with like family vloggers and all of that. But they were like gaining numbers. Now, obviously, we all know how it crashed hard. But at that point, were you like, fuck, I should monetize my like everything to like, you know, get the numbers? How was that?
This is such an interesting question, though. Like at one time, I used to have a bunch of my friends. My parents, so they still are in my videos. But I used to do it that time because I just wanted to fill my Monday, Friday bucket. Like I needed a video somehow. So like I didn't think too much about it. But then later, I think I stopped, like including other people. Like I'm meeting my best friends who've been in my videos a bunch of times today evening. and I'm doing a vlog currently, but I thought छोड़ यार नहीं करूँगी, इतने time बाद उनसे मिल रही हूँ मैं vlog करने लग जाऊँ, like that's
Yeah.
like annoying. And I think after Bonus, I think I need to like monetize my talent and like not this type of stuff. Hence, even the 1 minute drama stuff is cool to me, and even the music stuff is cool to me because it's actually creating something that I've written up or I'm like creating. It's not just like other people and stuff. But wo hota hai yaar, like Bharat is in a bunch of my videos
Yeah.
and my parents are too because that's also my life. So
Yeah, of course. Yeah. But do you like are you like, oh my god, like if Bharat is in my video, it'll get more views because people like relationship content?
yes, that is definitely tempting. Yeah, that is tempting for sure. And people do like relationship stuff. Like the pictures I posted from my engagement, we were both very like bhai band karte hain Instagram because बहुत सारे comments हैं and plus कुछ mean comments भी हो सकते हैं like Bharat के towards which he's not used to, like he doesn't do this job भाई, why should he?
Yeah.
तो वो भी थोड़ा सा dude, like my hair is okay, like whatever.
Oh no.
Actually, through an extension of you, now that Bharat has been online a fair bit through your, has he started feeling certain kinds of insecurity or consciousness because people are commenting on him?
Yes, like about his hair and maybe a couple other things. And I feel it's really heartbreaking. Like that's my first experience of like I've had moments of like crying, which I'm sure you guys might have
Yeah,
to.
yeah.
Maybe not you
No,
because
No, no, she also.
happens
It's all of
to
us.
everyone.
okay,
Yeah.
relatable.
Yeah.
और like proper crying कि यार किसी ने बोल दिया कि मैं failure हूँ या फिर किसी ने बोल दिया कि भाई you are boring or irrelevant, बस जाओ यहाँ से. Paragraphs and like asking for like I hope this is not true. And it's so heartbreaking to like console someone when they're in that state, right? Because
Yeah.
nothing you say will like break
Yeah.
this like
Yeah.
bubble they're in. And I experienced that with Bharat for the first time. He was not crying, but I could see that someone
Got
said.
to him.
Yeah.
And तुम जो भी बोलो नहीं नहीं वो गलत बोल रहे हैं, you are actually not like this.
Yeah.
It doesn't help.
It doesn't help. No.
Yeah.
But you know, like public image is so predictable, especially in the country that we live in. I have to say, like the moment that you posted your engagement pictures, having a partner in your life or having like you announcing that you're getting married is suddenly like a free ticket for everyone to love you. And I'm like, why can't you just love a woman for herself, for like the 10,000 things that she's doing? Other than that, you find it so easy to pick on. But the minute she does something conventional, like get married or get engaged, you're like, suddenly she's absolved.
They say it about everyone. It's just like, you know, the same people that one day will be like, oh my god, Sejal this, Sejal that, Naina this, Naina that. As soon as something happens, suddenly they're like, oh yeah, we supported her
Yeah,
through it.
I was just going to say that मतलब मेरे को भी तब नहीं फर्क पड़ता क्योंकि यार हम लोग खुद कैसे ओके जरा लाइक थिंक अबाउट इट. अगर कोई सेलिब्रिटी है सामने लाइक इफ दे डू हम भी तो जज करेंगे ना बैठ के, हम पलटते ऐसे लाइक
Yeah.
सो मैं क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रही हूँ कि जो कमेंट्स में दे आर लाइक फ्रिकिंग सेंट्स, लाइक दे
Not
बी
at
सो
all.
काइंड टू मी.
I just feel like we do it in a group chat. They do it in the comments.
That's totally fair.
Yeah.
And I think it takes like, okay, everyone has like freedom to do whatever they want in their life, but I do think it's like a big deal to like write something negative about someone because you're literally putting that thing
Energy,
out
yeah.
there, like, and that's
And,
too
like,
much.
What did they do to make you feel so deeply that you had to go on the internet and like write this thing? And separately from that, I genuinely think that the internet hates women. Like they genuinely hate women.
Yeah.
Time and time again, men can do many different things and they get away with it.
If a woman, like, God forbid, wears like a little cleave, it's like, yo, slut.
This stuff is like also happens in our houses, right? Like, I have this fight with my mom often. Every time, like, she does something unjust, patriarchy related, which all parents do.
Yeah.
जब हम 9th या जब मेरा भाई 9th में था, he's 5 years older, like he skipped his tuition to go on a date with his then girlfriend. If my brother's watching, oops, sorry. But he did that, and when he came back, like he got caught basically.
Okay.
And I remember like फैमिली फंक्शंस पे स्टोरी सुनाई जा रही है, अब तो रोहन बड़ा हो गया, ओ डेट पे ये वो वाह,
Why am
मतलब
I blushing?
you know like wow, like whatever in this tone, and cut to like when I was in 11th, I was writing behind my maths register my diary like an idiot. Instead of studying, लिख रही हूँ, oh, I have a crush on this guy. I'm in love with him. What should I do? ऐसी बकवास मैं लिख रही थी. And my mom read it. Like
Yeah.
someday she just like opened my diary and read it. And when I came back home, bro, like
There was a talk.
she was so like she was furious like beyond measure, and that has been like such a core memory for me. And now when I told her कि क्या था, what is this disparity, technically I was 2 years older, तो आपने क्यों किया आपने ऐसा, then she's like हाँ, I understand what you mean about discrimination now. So I guess like
किया तो था.
तो ये even the grassroots level
Yeah.
Yeah,
kind of sucks.
and I think then it becomes, I guess, every woman's this thing to be like, chalo guys, let me educate you. This is actually wrong behavior. This is
I'm telling
actually
you,
okay.
I watched Mrs. and Mrs. has done more for feminism than anyone.
Have you watched
Oh,
Mrs.?
yeah, I've heard a lot about this.
Bro, must
It's
watch.
good.
What a
Shout
good
out
film.
Sanya.
Yeah, and it's so
Yeah.
simply done. There's no big climax. There's no big like this thing at the end of the film. But all the points are put across that there is a gigantic adjustment for a woman when she enters a
Not
marital.
to scare you,
Yeah.
as you are
No.
on the cusp of
Oops.
marriage.
Sorry.
Yeah.
oops. No, but yeah, it is an adjustment. I mean, it'll be an adjustment for you in a different way, and it's up to, I guess, you and your partner to figure out where the cards fall.
Yeah, those things are scary, like for sure.
Yeah.
It is scary because you don't, like, even if you know, like, something for a long time, you don't really, I don't know, I hear this a lot कि India में शादी दो families के बीच में होती है, like, this type of
Yeah.
stuff. I know it's probably, like, very dated, but people still say this a lot.
It's
so,
super topical.
So, well,
Yeah.
it's just, I think it's just so. But अब जो है तो है, क्या करूँ मैं?
I mean, it's
You
going to
get along with your in-laws. They get along with you.
In-laws अभी वो हुए नहीं
Yeah,
है.
yeah, yeah. But like 5 years of dating, हो गए.
हाँ, they're very nice. Like
Okay.
they also watch my content a lot. So they just might be watching this podcast too.
Hello.
follow us.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
Yeah, no, a cool thing is that they think like what I do and what I've done so far at this age is really respect worthy. So I think that's a big deal, and people should sort of look for that.
That's a green flag.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I never like went and like begged for this respect कि भाई देखो ये मैंने किया है.
इतने followers हैं.
हाँ, उनने खुद ही कर लिया जो उन्हें करना
I
था.
love that.
You know, cherry on top of all of this, buy a Chanel bag.
They'll
be like,
must.
this year.
His mom will be like,
Yeah,
salute.
Yeah.
this year. There's two goals. There's buying a car because I just started driving, and a Chanel bag.
Let's go.
Amazing.
Do you guys drive?
I do.
Do you drive here?
Yeah, but I stopped driving. Like, I mean, I'm not interested in driving anymore because there's no parking anywhere, and I hate
Huh.
parking.
Yeah.
And I can only drive a small car.
Yeah, I think my lack of driving skill is the least feminist thing about me.
I think that dude, is it out of choice or is it out of being lazy? Both are okay.
Both.
हाँ, तो that's not anti. You know what this is? This is like I have this like this is very older mommy taunt. I feel like when I also didn't drive till like 2 months ago.
Yeah.
I used to get this a lot कि आप तो इतने independent हो, you don't drive still. And I was like, यार मतलब why do I have to drive to be
Independent. Yeah.
or like worthy of like this? Yeah, now you're.
Yeah, now
Now
you're the everyday woman.
And now it's quite common for people to not drive really. It's not like a sore
Yeah.
thumb.
Yeah, it's that safety has progressed to a point where you can take public transport and make it back home with a pulse.
Yes.
But I will say, swimming and driving are life skills.
I agree.
Like,
That's
it's
true.
not about like, I think if you're stuck somewhere, you need to know how to drive. You may not want to do it, like, that's fine. But I will say there is something to like, I do think driving could help save lives.
Yeah,
I
I
don't know
agree.
how.
I know how to drive.
I know.
If I was to drive in Bombay, I would not save lives.
I do think I'm not a good driver, but if I had to drive,
Yeah.
the people, like the car might be scratched, but everyone inside it would be safe.
No, that's fair. Like COVID, especially, like if you could drive, then you could take someone to the hospital. Like that's the time
Yeah.
you would feel like, yeah, cha.
Yeah, like in an emergency, it just, I don't know. I actually wasn't thinking about an emergency. I was like, what if you're stuck in a house with a serial killer and then you find the, like, maybe I'm overthinking.
Maybe you're watching too many like
True
horror.
crime documentaries.
Yeah, dude, those are like a hole that you dive into and then just stay there for a while.
Yeah.
And then you come out, you're like, no, I need to watch Friends and make myself a happy
Yeah.
person.
Who is a content creator you watch?
I watch these days like lots of podcasts. Yes. And some like fitness channels types. Moment of silence.
Yeah,
Let's
we
go.
did.
Let's go.
Sweating. Yeah.
Like I watch Diary of a CEO and Jay Shetty, Ranbir's podcast, like spirituality stuff. Lots of वो भी rabbit hole ही है. I think मैं उसमें जाके बैठ गई हूँ. अभी उससे निकलने का time आ गया है.
Take your time.
Yes, there's like lots of podcasts like that.
Do you feel like you would be this person who is into spirituality, who is into so much self-help if you weren't a content creator?
Maybe like I got into all this stuff because of my whole sad phase because I needed help to like come out. So, but I guess even though that was because I was in this job and I tried a bunch of things and it didn't work out. I couldn't deal with that failure. So that's why I got so sad. But it would have happened if I was doing some other job also. Like
Okay.
it happens to everyone. Like that's your character evolution, baby.
Fair
It has to happen.
That.
Read a self-help book. This Justin, Sejal's advice.
Oh, not qualified, but okay.
Oh yeah, we took a little break and we are here to tell you that Le Creuset sent us these really cute mugs. They're baby pink and baby blue. You can check them out on their page.
And back to the episode.
Back to the episode. Listen, Sejal,
Yes.
I'm really happy for your journey and all, but
Wow, thanks. तो अभी तक का podcast मतलब
अभी थोड़ा मसाला चाहिए यार. We need our audience.
Last 10 minutes.
Last 10 minutes
हाँ,
masala.
yes.
Okay. What is the sexiest thing about Bharat?
he's really charming. Very like he has hero vibes when he wants. So that's cool.
Okay. And when do you feel the sexiest yourself?
Yeah, when I wear something body hugging, like when the outfit is right and you have heels on and when you have great music playing, dancing, when all these combination, this is there.
What's your ideal date night?
Nice outfit, then chilling, then eating and watching a movie. Like,
I did not think that's where the then was going.
Have you ever hooked up to your own music?
Ooh.
oh my god, no. Like, God, no.
What is your hookup playlist? One song that has to
When
be there.
else are you finding joy?
This,
Is he finding joy or are you?
there is, okay, I think like cigarettes after sex is very like that vibe of music. So I'd say that.
Very meaningful sex.
It's very vibey. That's the vibe you want to go for.
I'm
but
like
not
a-
my own songs.
I'm
Ew.
like a Bryson Tiller gal.
I don't know what Bryson Tiller
It's like
Yeah,
very
yeah, Bryson
R&B
Tiller.
like.
Oh.
Yeah.
I don't
Nice.
listen to music
What
while
is
having
your-
sex.
Oh. Just this
Raw
podcast.
You're very self-assured. She's very self-assured.
I just need a mirror.
How did you guys make long distance work when it came to like physical attraction?
God,
The way the vibes turned hard after
God, guys, this is turned and how. यार ये आंसर करना जरूरी है मुझे.
मन है तो
It's your
empower the women.
It's your life, sweetie. We can't force you.
I think like like being on the phone is definitely a thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
A tip for long distance couples.
भाई अपनी जिंदगी खुद बना लो जरा. Don't be so needy.
Is that your biggest turn on then?
Like I'm serious. Like if like that was something that I had to do because so dependent on like, oh no, I got so stressed. Oh no, I miss you. Oh no, I need you. Like भाई वो सो रहा है. So अपनी जिंदगी बनाओ थोड़ी सी.
Yeah, that's how you get that marriage. You have to be self-assured first.
Our
Well-
big thing was like we've reached a point where we want our like our partners to show up when we need them, and then
Yeah.
like small wonder go back into a closet when it's not necessary.
Like we press a button and they go, "What's-"
Oh, Karishma ka Karishma,
Yeah.
Karishma,
Yeah.
basically. But probing question: do you show up for yourself?
Of course.
I only show up for myself.
Yeah.
Then they will show up for you, no? Like,
No, I
not
show up for everyone, and when it's my time,
She's
someone
just
has to
standing in
show-
front of a mirror.
Yeah, I stand in front of a fucking mirror. Yeah.
so, but what do you mean? Like, you get the guys need to show up for you, and then, like, what do you mean?
Nothing. It's just like, we're in that power suit. We're like working women.
Yeah.
And working women, we don't need extra frill. You
Yeah.
know, like घर आ रहे TV चलाओ, खाना लगाओ. मेरे को खाना है, तुम जाओ kitchen में जाओ.
ये best है. This is
Yeah.
the ideal date night.
I
Yeah.
want to be the masala peanut eating uncle. Like
Yeah.
that's my identity.
Drink kidhar hai?
Yeah.
Yes.
I told my mom's like, what do you want to do with your life? What do you want to do with your life? I was like, when you enter Bandra from SV Road, there is a big hoarding of Sunny Leone next to a real estate, like a building. And that hoarding changes every 3 days. Her outfit changes, but it's the same builder. And that is my aspiration. I want to be in a place where I have to cut a ribbon and there's money in my account. I have to stand next to a building, there's money in my account. That's all I want from my life. I don't want anything else. I don't want to be a
Same.
CEO of anything.
But billboard, matlab, that's a good aspiration.
Yeah.
Are you going to pay for the billboard
No.
yourself?
Excuse me, ma'am.
I'm thinking logistics. Who's going to
No.
pay for this?
Hey, Sunny Leone has worked very hard to be where she is.
That's
No,
what I'm
for
saying.
sure.
Yeah.
But I'm saying at the end, I'm not denying Sunny's
Oh.
hustle. I'm saying I want to work to a place where not much is needed of me.
I agree.
You
That's
shall get there, girl. Manifesting this for you.
Thank you. The other day I manifested and me and my agency were like ज़्यादा manifest कर लिया and in the wrong way. मैंने बोला एक दिन मैं Prime पे होंगी, मैं Netflix पे होंगी, मैं YouTube पे होंगी, मेरे को ये award मिलेगा. What was I doing? Amazon plug in our podcast. Netflix PR for someone else's movie.
YouTube vlog.
I was like, this kind of worked out, but I should have manifested slightly different.
Specific.
Baby steps.
Yeah.
It shall happen.
Is your underwear hookup friendly?
I have very boring underwear. Like nude underwear. Seamless. Yeah. And it's like model vibes. Like you were a model before,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
I did Miss India too. So
Yes.
like that is just stuck in my head.
Yeah,
I think
no,
it's
like a
quite-
seamless nude underwear. But is that what you're wearing?
Every day.
Oh.
Every day. I think it's really like I think it looks amazing. Like,
Does it at least
clean.
match?
Match to karta hai yaar.
Acha.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, then it's okay.
Then it's fine. You're not weird or anything.
I actually don't like I don't like the bright colors. I don't like it. I don't like the prints.
Not
I
like
don't
a red?
No.
Not a red lace thong.
No. No.
Is everyone not wearing a red lace thong when they're going to the gym?
No. I think it's too much. Like the clean vibes are what it is.
You're like a very Japanese aesthetic under the sheets.
And well, this
Under
is
the sheets. Why am I stressed?
this is like wo kaun si unki what is that shop? Mim something?
Muji?
No.
Miniso.
Miniso.
Yeah.
Maybe that aesthetic. Maybe. Simple and clean.
Cute. Yeah. Muji. Give yourself Muji.
Yeah, come
Don't
on.
do
Calvin
anything.
Klein.
Calvin Klein, yes.
Ah.
Let's be
Calvin
elevated.
Klein too
This
flashy.
is the pits if we're telling the biggest YouTuber how
Yeah.
to up your humbleness, bro.
Yeah. Humility, it's called.
Yeah, whatever. I can't speak in English.
Well, we're discussing underwear, so
Yeah.
it brings you right back to where you belong.
basics.
To the basics, yes.
Has a pickup line ever worked on you?
I actually haven't had a pickup line on me in like 5 years for obvious reasons. But pickup line, nahi yaar, pickup lines are lame. I think like people who say pickup lines like they're too rehearsed and like too cheesy. No. Have they worked on you?
Never had that experience.
Oh,
I mean, I don't think anyone's used a pickup line on me.
yes, because it's done and dusted and how.
Yeah,
Like,
but
no.
also my
Yeah.
face is so furrowed. Everyone thinks that I'm going through something. No one's going to come up and ask me casually to hook up.
Or maybe
Oh no.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
always the
no.
marriage with them. There's no short term.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're basically meeting like bunnies who are rejecting you because
No
you know
one's
that.
rejecting me.
I mean, like they're rejecting because you know that dialogue
Yeah,
in
yeah.
yeah. Because तुमसे फ्लर्ट नहीं, तुमसे शादी करनी चाहिए.
इश्क हो जाता है.
इश्क, yeah.
मुझे बता दो तुम्हारा ITR कितना है, मैं पहुंच जाऊंगी.
Wait, what do you think about like women earning more than men?
My mom earns more than my dad, so it's
Oh.
cool. But men do get insecure. Yeah, they
Yeah.
do. But then, like, I don't know. I think by Q.
Yeah.
And abhi, like, Bharat and I have talked about this a lot too. And currently, I think I do earn more than him. I'm not sure. But it's fine. Like,
Yeah. There was a study that said a lot of men would rather be broke than be with a woman that earns more than them.
yeah, थोड़ी अपनी मतलब self-esteem बढ़ाओ. It's not a competition. If you
Yeah.
can't compete with who you're with, like,
Yeah.
I think at some level, like, would you ever be jealous of like someone you're with if they're in the same field?
I'm waiting. I'll stop working. I will.
Someone needs to buy the Chanel
Yeah.
bag. If you're not buying it, it's me.
No, but for real, if like who you're dating is competing for the same thing and they get it and you don't, then would that
I would
irk
fuck it up.
his-
I would burn the city down.
Ha, so you will be.
Yeah.
Like,
You'd be pissed?
That's honest.
They have to be more successful than me in a different field.
Hmm.
If you're as successful as me in my field, then I should not have to work. Like I don't. Why should I do anything? Then you've done it for both of us.
No, I can't trust the man so much.
But essay, like, do you feel like you will be okay giving that like control away?
I'll tell you why I want to. I really genuinely want to have a kid.
Hmm.
And I want to be able to be at home with that kid. I would love to be a working mom, and I'm totally excited about that journey. But given the option, if my husband was making sure that I could not work and I could be with our kid and make sure they learn like 6 languages, yeah, why not?
Yeah. Because there's also a thing like if you're with
6
your
languages.
I have to be successful in every country. I'm coming for Netflix. 26 countries, my kid's successful.
or like just be in the UN and
Yeah.
like do everything in this world.
Yeah.
But yeah, like you have to be with kids when they're really young, right? Because
I mean, you don't
feel
have
lonely.
to. There are many ways around it. Like I know my friends who are like with kids now who figure out a really great system and they're working women. But I wouldn't mind like if I could be at home with my kid.
Yeah.
More than happy to. But if I have
Who's
to,
gonna vlog if you're not at home?
For family vlogs, वही बात देखो. When you make family vlogs, is the big question.
yeah, I'm gonna put
No.
Velcro on my kid's hands and stick the phone out. there.
No.
Put a GoPro on your kid's head.
Bichara bacha, no. Well, I will watch those vlogs.
Thank
Like,
you.
I'll be a loyal viewer.
Thank you.
As long as you keep making vlogs that we can watch and show our kids.
Yeah, you know, like 5 years ago, I would have said, yes, please stay tuned. But I'm like, okay, like as long as I can do it. Cool.
As long as you can do it.
Very morbid thing that I thought of. I was
Shut
like,
up.
no, I'm like, okay, YouTubers earn money from YouTube AdSense, right?
हाँ, but वो ज़्यादा नहीं होता वैसे.
ठीक है, but suppose you're really big
हाँ.
and आ रहे उतने पैसे. When you die, does your YouTube AdSense get willed to someone?
Oh, yeah, I'm sure. I mean, you would have to put that in place.
Yeah. Has anyone?
I'm sure.
I would.
Right?
Like, I totally would, obviously. Like,
Yeah.
all my sources of running income. Say, if I start a business tomorrow, like, and it's doing really well. Say, it's
Yeah.
like a matcha product or something. So, obviously, bhai, matlab.
Yeah, to someone. But if you don't post regularly on YouTube, it dries up real quick. So
I was thinking the same
good
thing.
luck with your $100 every 3 months.
I was thinking the same thing. Do you see how toxic this engagement mindset is?
That's
like,
true.
God.
Yeah.
Because I was like, regularly, तो कोई post ही नहीं करेगा. What happens then?
Fair. I, a nubile creator, don't know anything about this.
Fair.
But what I am interested in, no, I'm kidding. I was going to ask you 6 more questions about your sex life.
Yes, excited.
Excited? How was your first time?
Interesting. Yeah.
Were you scared?
obviously my mom is a gynecologist, by the way, guys, so like she explained what sex means to me with a diagram, okay?
Oh.
And I would come back home to lots of like weird stories of like things that she saw and did in her clinic, so I think I was a little scarred
Okay.
with those stories.
So did you see a diagram every time you entered the bedroom?
डायग्राम 4th क्लास में देखा था फिर मैं बड़ी हो गई थी बट यू कैन इमेजिन कि लाइक एवरी डे इसको सिस्ट हुआ, फिर इसको ओवरी का ये हुआ, फिर आज मैंने इतना बड़ा ट्यूमर निकाला, तो उसके बाद दैट डज समथिंग टू योर माइंड एज एन इम्प्रेशनेबल टीम.
I would imagine.
Yeah.
Was the diagram more appealing than the real thing?
My mom made the diagram. So,
Okay.
No.
Okay, those are my questions. You want to ask?
No,
some?
I'm so good. I'm just going to say thank you. Thank you so
Oh.
much for coming out here.
Thanks.
For being a sport, for sharing so much about your journey. Finding joy out everywhere now.
Yes.
It's out, guys.
Yay.
We'll link it down below. And do you know you're sitting next to a fellow singer? Nena also just
Yeah,
released a
yes.
song.
Yes, I just released a song.
Two singers.
Yes,
in a
I know
row.
this.
And Sakshi reminds me to bring it up at the end of every episode.
I forget.
As
like-
you must.
Yeah. But must be nice when there are two singers and most comments are about my boy. Negatively. I'm joking. Go check out both their music. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me. Thanks for having me, guys. See you.
Bye.